Wanna buy shoes? White toe box comes first, style comes second. Not necessarily their job, but they must have white toe box. Once wearing white toe box shoe, I never want my toes to be squeezed again. It just feels unnatural and uncomfortable. Here are all the shoes I own. They all have white toe box except for Feiyue. I haven't worn Feiyue for so long. Sorry, you have a really good sole, but you just squeeze my toe. This is brand Softstar. This one I bought them for its extremely wide toe and the customization option. And it turned out it's way too wide. At that time I was frustrated that I couldn't find a good pair of wide toe box shoe, so I just went with the widest option. I clearly overestimate how wide my feet are. They almost look like shoe fins. FYI, my feet is this wide. The website actually gives sizing advice. They do offer narrower version, but somehow I chose to ignore it. I wear this pair a lot. The toe box is reasonably wide and fits my feet perfectly. They're zero drop. I add an insole to make it more comfortable. They comes in many colors and they offer worldwide shipping for free above a certain amount. Overall, it's a pretty great shoe. Crocs is my favorite shoe. I have 3 of them, 1 for winter, 2 for summer. I've worn this pair for so many years. There's a small hole in the sole. On rainy days, the water gets in, so I have to replace this with a new one. For winter versions, they have a fuzzy lining inside, but don't do what I did. I'm so stupid. I washed mine and left them to dry in direct sunlight, and they warped. This is pretty funny. Well, minimalist shoes, they're all kind of expensive, so I decided to make one. I took about my old sneaker and I used Softstar shoe as a pattern. I also bought this shoemaking tutorial and made these. It's been many years, I've never worn them, and I probably never will. Still, it's a fun project to do. I will keep it. It's my love letter for white toe box shoe. I once bought a pair of 5-finger shoe, but I sold it many years ago, so I don't have one now. And well, the problem is that I don't feel comfortable wearing that barefoot, so I have to wear socks. But with that shoe, I have to wear this toe socks, which is really inconvenient for me. I just want to grab a pair of socks, wear them, and go. So that's why I sold it. I still think going barefoot is the best option, but it's not always possible. So whenever I get the chance, I go barefoot, especially at home, like now. Nothing beats going just barefoot. I put the price in the description. Hope this video helps. See you in the next one.